Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily enable or disable minimize to tray icon on your Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, let's head over to the file in the top left side of the screen. Now, let's go over to settings, and here, let me close the security and preferences because we don't need it. We need to go over to app settings for all accounts, and right here we will have minimize to tray icon. Now, whenever you minimize the big window, then it will show up as a system tray right here. So it won't close entirely, but simply it will go as a tray so it doesn't take up your space on the taskbar. So that's what it does. You guys can enable it or disable it just by clicking with the left mouse button, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.